Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Crimson Stream Eel in Fish Eat update. So the Crimson Stream Eel is an epic tire catch that will put your reflexes to test, let's say. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact current lock strategy to hook this elusive beast. So here, as you guys can see, I've already inside the underwater city. This is where you can get the Crimson Stream Eel. And let me show you the location where I got it first. So this is my favorite spot. Okay, this is the location. So just from the entrance, you can just go straight and turn right to go to these locations right here. And I'm using the element road with singularity bait to get the Crimson Stream Eel. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.